question. What is the status of both of you?
Well, obviously you put us together, but we were never official, never girlfriend and boyfriend. We just, obviously he liked me and I liked him. So we just talk, a lot, and, he updated me, with his games, his basketball games.
Wow.
And I update him with mine. But we were never official. Just, he was a special friend of mine. Yeah.
Okay. Op. Wait lang ah. Sige. Ang comment ko lang doon ay respetuhin natin yung vision ng bawat panig. Kung sabi niya, friend lang sila, di friend, di ba? Sige, tuloy.
Okay.
You're always video chatting at night.
Yes,
I remember it.
first couple of
Like teasing him, like you're so you slept late at night, and he told us that he's video chatting with you.
Yes, and I met his mama, Tita Robeline, and his
What can you say
siblings.
about his family right now?
Also, same just like him. Very kind, very heartwarming. I love Bella and Vince. They are my best friend. I know, they're so cute. I love them so much. Very inviting, very welcoming, and also very hardworking, and just want the best for their family, and also to support others, even like with the Basabornia collection, that they make sure everyone is included.
Yes. Any last words for
Yeah.
for Bobet?
Your
Message.
Even though he's gone.
I'll cry.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Okay na ba? Dali, B. Tol, B. Sa babae. Kaya lang ba? Yan na. Okay, one more. Okay. And now, later. Also me, I feel it. I miss Bobet.
Yeah.
Okay.
He talks so much about you as well. My last words for him is that he's made everyone so proud.